Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube series for budding entrepreneurs. This is your Dr. Himanshu from GrabGuidance, again back with another rock solid question. So, guys, we all know, any budding entrepreneur will have, thousands of idea going in their mind, and idea is not a big deal, but the only big deal is to know whether this idea is really worth pursuing, whether this idea is really good enough for you to make it a business. So guys, I'll tell five major things in this video which can give you an assurance whether this idea is a good idea or not. Point number one: look for competitors. There is always a direct and an indirect competition facing your product idea. See how differently and uniquely you're catering to it, right? That will give you an assurance. Point number two: um, discuss your idea with 100 more people, for instance. Uh, that will give you a great insight, probably a good critical insight into what your idea, should it be done straight away, or should it require any tweaking, or is it really bad? Say 90 people out of 100 say this is a ridiculous idea, and I think you got the answer. I think you won't be able to move further with that. So that's how, if you openly discuss your idea with close ones, or probably some strangers, experts in that domain, can really tell you how your idea is, and then you'll get a validation on that. Point number three: uh, you have to analyze your market well, because your idea is catering to a market. You need to know the potential of that idea. How big is the market it is capturing? So if it is catering to a very small market, the problem that you're solving out is for just few of the people, I think the idea is not good enough. You will get the answer like that, right? So yes, knowing the market potential will really help you to make sure that your idea that you are trying to pursue is good one. uh, Fourth thing, the most important part is basically your user, you know for whom you are building a product, for whom you are solving out a problem by this entrepreneurial venture. So you can go out, talk to your prospective users, and make sure whether the product that you are planning to come out with really solves out their problem, is really beneficial for them, is really impactful for them. And through that product survey or a user survey, you will have all the answers in front of you, and you will be like assured whether this idea really is worth pursuing or not. Fifth and the last thing is basically to sort of go ahead a one step more. Maybe probably you can develop a MVP, a minimum viable product, a small website with a home page only, and test out the market with the prospective user. Are they like really doing some pre-orders, or are they like making payments and buying your offering? Or you can just promote it on a Facebook, Instagram, and make sure whether the product that you are the basic product as of now that you have created is really being liked, really being bought by the users that you have thought. And then only give go ahead with a big bang, and probably launch your product in a big way. So if you guys do these five hacks that I've talked about, you'll be really assured as to your idea, and I think then that would be really take a great change in future. So guys, thank you. This is what it was there from my side in today's video. We'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.